Hi, I'm Matthew, the Chartered Structural Engineer here at Wickens Engineering. I'm here today to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today, we're asking, how often should my cantilever rack be inspected? The HSE would recommend at least an annual inspection of your cantilever racking. However, I'd suggest that that's too infrequent, even for low traffic areas. I'd recommend at least a quarterly inspection of your cantilever racking. That inspection needs to cover things such as bent arms or any damage to uprights or bracing. This is really important to ensure the longevity of your cantilever racking. It's also really important to make sure any operatives report any damage as and when it occurs. If you've got any more questions, please contact us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and see you next time.